What does an elder law attorney do? Well, an elder law attorney is an estate planning attorney, but they also have special knowledge about government benefits, disability, and how aging impacts our clients. So an elder law attorney can do an estate plan for very young people. We will do a will with a minor's trust, named guardian. So, a lot of times people who are younger go say, why would I go to an elder law attorney? Well, the elder law attorney can start working with you when you're in your 20s and in your 30s, and then throughout the rest of your life will be there for you no matter what life changes bring. For example, what if one of your children is an autistic child and needs help with government benefits? You need to protect assets for them. You don't want them to inherit outright when you die because they'll lose their government benefits. An elder law attorney is appropriate for that, even though you are younger and wouldn't ever think of elder law being the type of lawyer you'll want to see. Elder law really is a misnomer in that it's not just for old folks, it's for anyone who might benefit from government benefits, needs-based benefits, anybody that has a disability, or anybody that wants an attorney who can understand more than just what the estate plan is, but also how the life plan fits in with the estate plan. As people age and go through life, the elder law attorney will be there to help them, perhaps with their parents, if their parents need guidance and help with long-term care, or as people age and then they retire, they're looking at protecting assets. One of the most important tools an elder law attorney has, at least in the state of Washington, is what we call a supplemental needs trust, where we can protect assets for the surviving spouse. And then an elder law attorney is also, because of their expertise and knowledge of government benefits, particularly Medicaid and Medicaid long-term care benefits, we work with clients who think that they're facing long-term care and they have to spend down all of their money on the long-term care. Well, that's just not so. Medicaid's rules are really complicated. Not a whole lot of attorneys, even elder law attorneys, practice in the area of Medicaid or Medicaid asset protection strategies. At ELG Estate Planning, we do. We understand how important it is to give our clients options so they understand that they don't need to spend all their money down. They can keep their assets and they can benefit from the state paying for their care as well. So an elder law attorney, it's an estate planning lawyer, plus an attorney with expertise in life's issues.